Here we are, frowning in shame, as we just got kicked out of SeaWorld because of the horrifying weather. See, there's a car coming right there. There's more cars right there. We got kicked out because of the bad weather, as you can see. And there's Stephanie, very sad. So my mom was trying to counsel her, but she can't. And here we are. Stop! And here we are, we just got kicked out of SeaWorld. Look at him, walking in shame. Because they only got $174 back. What do you have to say, Vanessa? What do you have to say? What do you have to say, sir? Silence, I see. Pictures worth 1,000 words. Here we are walking out of SeaWorld in the most weird vacations we've ever had. Our first one. First vacation, raining, hurricanes. What else could we get? See, what do you have to say, ma'am? You want to go to Panchos?
Yeah, I want to go to Panchos.
We drove 500 miles just to go to Panchos. See, look at all them people. Some people coming from Phoenix.
Y luego, vámonos y vamos a Carlsbad. Huh?
They're trying to figure out some plans, but it doesn't work.
We got
to see a hurricane.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I like it.
That's pretty good. That was alright.
Huh?
We just saw some DC plates. People come from DC. Just be kicked out of... Where are we? Oh, see, there's our rental car. Has to be returned by Sunday. We are walking towards our car. Hello, car. Been kicked out of SeaWorld. Live.
Quítense eso, Aaron, quítenselo para que ahorita que está haciendo...
Now, back to